Fix this content isn't available right now on Messenger. Have you ever tried to open a message on Messenger only to see the frustrating error? This content isn't available right now? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix this issue quickly. Let's get started. This error can happen for several reasons, such as 1. The sender has deleted the message. 2. The person who sent the message has blocked or deactivated their account. 3. The message contains restricted content. 4. There's a temporary issue with Facebook servers. 5. You're logged into an outdated version of Messenger. First, try refreshing your Messenger app. Close the app completely and reopen it to see if the message loads correctly. If the sender has deactivated their account or blocked you, you won't be able to see their messages. Try searching for their name in Messenger. If their profile doesn't appear, they might have deactivated their account. Clearing the cache can help fix app glitches. If you're using an Android device, follow these steps. 1. Open Settings. 2. Go to Apps, Messenger. 3. Tap Storage and Cache. 4. Select Clear Cache. Using an outdated version of Messenger can cause errors. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for Messenger, and tap Update if available. Sometimes, the issue isn't on your end. Visit a website like Down Detector to check if Facebook servers are down. If there's an outage, you'll have to wait for Facebook to fix it. That's it. These simple steps should help you fix the "this content isn't available right now" error on Messenger. If the problem persists, try using Messenger on a different device or contacting Facebook support. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.